ASVAB formulas exam questions. Right triangle, number 4. 5, 12, 13. When you see a percent number in AR problems, always change it to a decimal and multiply. 25 degrees Celsius. 77 degrees Fahrenheit. 16 ounces. 1 pound. Right triangle, number 1. 3, 4, 5. Change a fraction to a percent. 1. Divide the bottom number into 100. 2. Then take the answer and multiply with the top number. Right triangle, number 3. 9, 12, 15. Words that mean addition in AR problems. Add some total. 1/4. 25%. Cubic. Volume. 4. 24. 1/5. 20%. 3 feet. 1 yard. Area of a triangle. Base x height, divided by 2. Rules for multiply positive and negative numbers. Same sign equals positive answer. Example, -3 times -3 is equal to 9. Different sign equals negative answer. Example, 3 times -3 is equal to -9. Proportions. 1. Find the multiplier 2. Then use it on the item they ask about. Solve equations. Use PMAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Multiply fractions. 1. Reduce crossways. 2. Multiply straight across top and bottom. Mean, average. Add the scores and then divide by the number of scores. Perimeter of a rectangle. Add up all the sides. Money in the bank interest rate. 1. Multiply the money times the interest rate. 2. You will then know the amount of interest they earn each year. 2/5. 40%. 2 pints. 1 quart. 1/2. 50%. 12 inches. 1 foot. When 2 trains or airplanes travel in opposite directions, add their speeds together and that will tell you how far apart they get every hour. 1 ton. 2,000 pounds. Volume of a cylinder. V equals 3.14x radius superscript 2x height. Convert square feet into square yards. Square feet divided by 9. What is the percent decrease? What is the percent increase? Formula. Different, original. Circumference of a circle. C equals 3.14x diameter. Right triangle, number 2. 6, 8, 10. A gross. 144 items. 3/4. 75%. Odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. What is the probability? Formula. Part, total. 7 numbers that go into 100. 50 to 225 to 420 to 510. Means. Plus plus. 36 inches. 1 yard. 2/10. 20%. Words that mean multiply in AR problems. Per fraction on the left side of the word of for each. 1/3. 33%. Square. Area. For quarts. 1 gallon. Divide fractions. What is SCF? Same change flip. Reciprocal mean. Flip. Foil and factoring. 1. Add the last numbers to get the middle number of answer. 2. Multiply the last numbers to get last number of answer. Ratios. When money is divided among several people. Take the big number and divided by it by the total points. When you multiply a letter with itself, you will add the exponents. X superscript 2, x superscript 2 equals x4. Integers are whole numbers. They can be positive or negative number but no fractions and no decimals. Range. Put the score in order from least to greatest, then subtract the lowest value from the highest value. Speed. How fast miles per hour, mph, rate. Change a percent number to decimal. Move decimal 2 spaces to the left. The sum of two numbers is, follow steps. 1. Cut the big number in half, then write both halves on your paper. 2. Cut the small number in half. 3. Now add half to one side, then subtract half from the other side. 20 degrees Celsius. 68 degrees Fahrenheit. 4/5. 80%. Area of a circle. A equals 3.14x radius superscript 2 example. Radius is 3 superscript 2, 3x3 equals 9. What percent of formula? Part, total. Change improper fraction to a mixed number. Divide bottom into the top. Never choose improper fraction for test answer. 1/10. 10%. Change mixed number to improper fraction. Mixed numbers are the best answer on a test, but you cannot do math problems with mixed numbers. You can do math with improper fractions. 6. 720. Factorial problems. Start with the number, multiply backwards down to 1. Example 4. For x3 x2 x1 equals 24. 5. 120. Time. How many hours? How long? Profit is. Sell price, cost equals profit. Medium. The middle score after the numbers is organized from the least to the greatest. Mode. Most frequently occurring score. Reduce fractions. Find a number that will divide into both top and bottom. If both numbers are even numbers, just cut them in half. Area of a rectangle. Length x width. Volume of a box. Length x width x height. 3/5. 60%. Add and subtract positive and negative numbers. 1. Subtract the small number from the big number. 2. Then take the sign of the big number. Words that mean divide in AR problems. Cut, split, put into. When you divide a letter with itself, you will subtract the exponents. Even numbers. Zero, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Distance. How far? How many miles? Add and subtract fractions. 1. Common denominator. 2. Change top numbers. 3. Add or subtract the top numbers. 4. Reduce. 2/3. 67%. Savings. Regular price, sale price equals savings. Right triangle, number 5. 7, 24, 25. Change a percent number to a fraction. Write the number over 100. Slope formula. Y, x, x. Solve for x. 1. Move the letters to the left. 2. Move the numbers to the right. 3. When you move something across the line, change its sign.